Welcome back everyone. So now today's video I'll be sharing with you the top 3 UI UX channels that would be great for you to follow in 2020. So yeah, there are a lot of channels and courses available on the web regarding designing, front end and all stuff. But everyone has their perspective, and according to me, these 3 channels are really great if you could follow in 2020. So starting off with the first one, that is DesignCourse, and this channel is run by Gary Simon, who's the course instructor in this channel. And as the banner suggests, there is new video coming up every day at 11:30 ET. So that's really cool. You get to watch one video per day. And this is their homepage, which is very well organized. You can easily navigate through and find different courses and playlists. So one video or series that I would definitely recommend in this channel is the UI UX workshop or reviews. So the video you see here. So what he basically does in this videos is he picks out random UI entries from his viewers, and then he tries to apply the UI principles and also UX principles to give it a better visual experience and also to improve the user experience. So this is one good thing that many beginner or intermediate designers wish to see, that is to get a different perspective of how their design would be implemented by a different designer. So I would definitely recommend this video playlist from his channel for beginner or intermediate designers. And apart from this, there are many other UX courses and all. You should definitely check out those. So next on the list, we have Flux, and this is a channel run by Rand Siegel, who is a freelance designer. So this is their homepage, and it's very well organized. As you can see, they have different playlists, well organized. You can just search and find out what you like to watch. So they come up with new videos like every alternate day, so that's really good. And one thing I would suggest to watch in this channel is their design case studies. So once you go to playlists, you can find this here. So the design case studies. So what they do in this video is he actually interacts with another designer and tries to find out what are the issues and what is the reason behind implementing it, and also how it can be improved. So it's like a case study where you get to know what can be improved and why it is done and all stuff. So this is a really good playlist or series that you definitely got to check out in this channel. So the next one on the list is AJ&Smart, and as you can see, they deal with product design, design sprints, workshops and trainings. So they come up with a new video every week, so you get to watch one video per week. So this is their homepage, and as you can see, it's very well organized like the rest of the channels. You get to navigate and see different courses and series. So one thing I would suggest to watch in this channel is their problem solving exercise series. So once you go to playlist, you can find this problem solving exercises. So basically what they do in this video is they interact with a group of people, they put in a problem statement, and as a group, they try to brainstorm it and come up with their ideas and solutions. So it's all about problem solving exercises. So as a beginner designer, he or she would definitely love to understand and know more about this. So I suggest them to watch this series. So that's it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for more such videos and do comment below what you would love to watch next. And as always, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.